Most men believe they already know what women are looking for, yet that belief is often the very thing that holds them back. It's not because they lack effort. The real problem is that many have spent years following advice that misses what truly matters. Genuine attraction isn't created by expensive gifts, perfect pickup lines, or trying to appear flawless. It grows from deeper emotional dynamics that most men never take the time to understand. Once you recognize these patterns, you'll stop making the quiet mistakes that slowly weaken attraction and begin building something far more valuable: real respect and genuine connection. In this video, I'm going to share 10 common emotional tendencies many women have, and more importantly, show you how understanding them can help you become a stronger, calmer, and more confident man. Stay with me until the end, because the final lesson is the one most men never see coming. Number 1. She wants to feel heard. Wanting to feel heard doesn't mean she expects you to agree with everything she says or abandon your own opinions just to avoid conflict. One of the biggest reasons relationships begin to struggle is that many men approach every conversation as if it's a problem that needs an immediate solution. In reality, she is often trying to express what she's feeling before she's ready to hear advice. The moment you interrupt, dismiss her feelings, or rush to prove your point, the conversation stops being about understanding each other and turns into a contest over who is right. That is often where respect quietly begins to fade. A confident man understands the difference between listening and giving in. He offers his full attention without allowing himself to be controlled by another person's emotions. Even when discussions become difficult, he stays calm. He asks thoughtful questions, allows her to finish speaking, and responds with patience instead of frustration. That isn't weakness, it is confidence. A man who remains composed during emotional conversations shows that he isn't intimidated by strong feelings. He knows that staying steady is often far more powerful than searching for the perfect response. Many men spend years trying to impress women with money, appearance, gifts, or endless attention while overlooking something far more valuable: genuine presence. Presence cannot be purchased. It is shown by putting distractions away, maintaining eye contact, and listening without mentally preparing your next argument. People naturally trust someone who makes them feel understood, and trust becomes the foundation of lasting respect. At the same time, never mistake listening for accepting disrespect. If she speaks to you without respect, remain calm, but don't abandon your standards. Clearly explain what behavior you will and won't accept, then stand by your words without raising your voice or creating unnecessary drama. Your composure will always speak louder than anger. A man who stays grounded under pressure is difficult to shake because his actions are guided by principles rather than temporary emotions. Instead of trying to control someone else, focus on mastering your own reactions. Rather than arguing over every small disagreement, pay attention to what is really being communicated beneath the surface. This approach doesn't guarantee that every relationship will last, but it does guarantee that you become a man who earns respect through consistency instead of force. The more control you gain over yourself, the less you feel the need to control anyone else. And that's where genuine confidence truly begins.